In this session, we are going to discuss first 5 problems from the exercise 2.4. Question number 1. A wheel of a car covers a distance of 3520 cm in 20 rotations. Find radius of the wheel. Listen the solution for the first question. Distance covered by the wheel in 20 rotations equal to 3520 cm. To find distance covered in one rotation, divide 3520 by 20. Cancel 0 and 0. Then divide 352 by 2. We get the answer 176. The circumference of the wheel is 176 centimeter. The formula to find out the circumference is what? 2 pi r equal to 176. Substitute the values 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 176. We have to find out the radius, so keep this r left side and shift the remaining numbers into right side. Okay. Therefore, r is equal to 176 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. First of all, cancel 2 and 176, we get 88. Then using 22, 4 times 88. Then multiply 4 into 7 equal to 28 centimeter. That is the radius of the. Question number 2. The cost of fencing a circular race course at the rate of rupees 8 per meter is rupees 2112. Find the diameter of the race course. In this question, total cost of fencing is given and also cost for fencing per meter. Solution for the second question. Cost of fencing in the circumference equal to rupees 2112. Cost of fencing per meter equal to rupees 8. Using these two values, we can find out the circumference of the circle equal to total cost of fencing by cost of fencing per square meter. Okay. So, which is equal to 2112 by 8. Using 8 table, cancel 2112, you get the answer 264 meter. That is the circumference of the circle. The question is we have to find out the diameter. So, we can use the formula pi d equal to 264. Substitute the value of pi 22 by 7 into d equal to 264. D equal to 264 into 7 divided by 22. Cancel it by 11 table. We get the answer 12 into 7 equal to 84 meter. Therefore, diameter of the race course is how much? 84 meter. Listen the next question. A path 2 meter long and 1 meter broad is constructed around a rectangular ground of dimensions 120 meter and 90 meter respectively. Find the area of the path. Solution for the question. Length of the ground is 120 meter, that is given. Breadth of the ground also given 90 meter. And the path 2 meter length and 1 meter broad is laid around the rectangular ground. Okay. See, length of the ground with path. With path means length with 2 times width. Okay. W2. W2 means what here? 1. Therefore, L value is 120. 120 plus 2 times W2. 2 times 1 equal to 2. So what is the sum? 120 plus 2 equal to 122 meter. Then breadth of the ground with path. Breadth is equal to 90 meter. Path W1, that is 2 meter. Okay. 2 into 2 equal to what? 4. 4 plus 90, 94 meter. This is the breadth of the ground with path. Then what is the area of the path? L into B minus L into B. Here capital L is 122 into 94 minus 120 into 90. Okay. Then 120, when you multiply and subtract the numbers, we get the answer 668 meter square. Question number 4. The cost of decorating the circumference of a circular lawn of a house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter is rupees 16,940. What is the radius of the lawn? In this question, total cost of decorating the circular lawn and cost per meter is given. Using that, we have to find out the radius of the lawn. Solution. First of all, we can write what and all given in the question. Cost of decorating the circumference equal to rupees 16,940. Cost of decorating per meter equal to rupees 55. Then length of the circumference. For that, we have to divide 16,940 by 55. While you cancel these numbers, we get the answer 308 meter. That is the circumference of the lawn. Okay. Then the formula for circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r, which is equal to 308 meter. Then substitute the value of pi 22 by 7. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 308. R equal to 308. Then 2 we can write the denominator and 22 also in the denominator. Then 7 is in the numerator. Okay. Then using 2 table, first you can cancel 308. Then using 11 table you can cancel that number. We get the answer r equal to 49 meter. That is the radius of the lawn. Question number 5. 4 circles are drawn side by side in a line and enclosed by a rectangle as shown below. If the radius of each of the circle is 3 centimeter, then calculate the area of the rectangle, the area of each circle and the shaded area inside the rectangle. See the solution of the question. Radius of the circle is given, that is 3 centimeter. Okay. Then what is the diameter of one circle? Diameter means 2 times radius. Okay. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Diameter of one circle is 6. Then the diameter of another circle is 6. Third circle diameter 6. And the fourth circle diameter 6. Now you see this length is equal to this length. Okay. This is the length of the rectangle. To find the length of the rectangle, we can add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 4 times 6 equal to 24 centimeter. Length of the rectangle is 24 centimeter. Then, what is the breadth of the rectangle? Here, this is the breadth. This distance is 3 centimeter because this is the radius. Again, this also 3. So, totally how much centimeter now? 6 centimeter. Therefore, breadth of the rectangle also is 6 centimeter. Okay. Length of the rectangle is 24 centimeter. and breadth of the rectangle is 6 centimeter. Then what is the first question? Area of the rectangle. This we are going to find out using the formula L into B square units. L equal to 24, B equal to 6. Multiply these two numbers. 6 4s are 24. Then 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So, area of this rectangle is how much? 144 centimeter square. Okay. Then, what is the second question? Area of the circle. This we are going to find out. What is the formula to find out area of the circle? Pi r square, square units. Value of pi is 22 divided by 7. Here r value is what? Radius equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Okay. So, in the place of r square, what we can write? 3 into 3. We are not able to cancel any numbers. So, just to multiply 22, here 3 3s are 9. Okay. Multiply 22 and 9. We get the answer 198 divided by 7. Divide it separately. 198 divided by 7. 2 7s are 14. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. Then bring this 8 down. How much times? 8 times. 8 7s are 56. Then 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Here we can put one decimal point and add 1 0. How much times? 2 times. 2 7s are 14. Again subtract. Borrow 1 from here. So this place 10. 10 minus 4 is what? 6. Again add 1 0. 8 times 8 7s are 56. Here we can stop. Okay. So what is the answer for the area of the circle? 28.28 centimeter square. Then the third question is, what is the area of the shaded portion? Okay. For that, you have to subtract total area of the rectangle. How much circles are there? 4 circles are there. So, 4 into area of circle. See this diagram. The question is to find the area of the shaded portion. For that, we can subtract area of the rectangle minus 4 into area of circle. Then we get area of the shaded portion. Okay. See now. Area of rectangle minus 4 into area of circle. Area of rectangle already we found. So that is 144. And 4 into area of circle. 4 into 28.28. Just to multiply these two numbers. Remove the decimal point and multiply. 8 4s are 32. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. See, 2 digits before the decimal point is here. So, we can place the decimal point from 2 digits before. Okay. So, the answer is what? 113.12. Next, we are going to subtract these two numbers. 144.00. Because here after the decimal point 2 digits are there, no? So, we can write 144 as 144.00. Subtract 113.12. Borrow 1 from here. Here 3. This place 9. Here 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 1, also 8. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So, what is the answer? 30.88 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded portion. Homework. Write 1 to 5 sums as home test. Thank you for watching, students. Bye bye.